Welcome to our bakery. Today, I'll show you exactly how bread is made. Again, from raw ingredients to fresh loaves.
From the finest flour to the freshest yeast, every ingredient is carefully inspected before beginning its journey through the bakery.
In our state-of-the-art facility, the finest ingredients are carefully combined.
Ensuring the perfect consistency is crucial. A gentle touch and a dusting of flour prepare the dough for its journey to the oven.
From the initial mix to the golden finish, our automated workflow ensures consistent quality and inspiring efficiency. It's a precise balance of automation and skilled hands that allows us to produce the freshest baked goods for our customers.
Straight. As the dough approaches the proofer, our specialized sensors maintain the ideal environment for fermentation.
Dough rests and ferments to develop perfect flavor and texture.
The secret to perfect bread lies in the proofing, where time and temperature combine to awaken the yeast.
In our state-of-the-art facility, the dough undergoes its critical fermentation process, rising evenly in a precisely controlled environment.
The journey begins as the dough enters the radiant heat, transforming into golden perfection.
The secret to the perfect loaf lies in the precise control of the final bake, ensuring that crisp, golden finish every time.
The cooling conveyor allows the steam to escape, finalizing the crust's texture. It's a critical step in our modern baking process. Precision engineering meets the art of baking, as our fresh loaves are uniformly sliced and prepared for delivery. Utilizing advanced automation, our bakery operates with inspiring precision, delivering the highest quality products wrapped and ready for distribution.
And that's how bread is made. Trial part, from start to finish.
Every loaf is checked before leaving the bakery.